Hello everyone, welcome back to your channel Study Easily with Simplifies Learning. Today we will learn texting abbreviation. You can use some of these in WhatsApp, Instagram and other social media. Let's get started. SMS, Short Message Service. MSG, Message. TXT, Text. FB, Facebook. IG, Instagram. OOTD, Outfit of the Day. OOTE, आउटफिट ऑफ द इवनिंग. ये ज़्यादातर इंस्टाग्राम स्टोरीज में यूज़ होता है. के ओके. ओपी ओरिजिनल पोस्ट. OTOH ऑन द अदर हैंड. NP नो प्रॉब्लम. OMG ओ माई गॉड. You. BTW, by the way. IOW, in other words. AMA, ask me anything. Before. B4N, bye for now. TBH, to be honest. JK, just kidding. GF, girlfriend. BF, boyfriend. BFF, best friend forever. LMK, let me know. LMT, let me think. I see. IMO, in my opinion. LTNC, long time no see. MU, miss you. PLS, please. Hand, have a nice day. GR8, great. L8R, later. J4F, just for fun. FYI, for your information. FWIW, for what it's worth. ISO, in search of. You are, your. RT, real time. IRL, in real life. POV, point of view. Comment below. Hope you like it. Thank you.